Hello everybody, welcome to the Seamurai channel again. I think this is the first real, like a summerish day here in Joshi Marina. As you can see, I put a tent and I usually do that when it's super hot, when it's super sunny. Yeah, today I have a small project, the sail, the jib sail actually. It started being a greenish. When I sailed last time, about 2 weeks ago, I noticed like a green patina on my jib sail, and I think it's a mold. What else can it be? So definitely one of my projects that I plan to do today is to clean up a little bit of jib sail. I'm just gonna use the diluted detergent and some soft brush to see what I can remove and make it at least white-ish again, as much as possible. So the first step will be to put the jib down on the ground, and before that I have to unfurl it. I guess you can see all the mold accumulating on the leech and on the foot of the sail predominantly. The rest of the surface doesn't look that bad. To watch out it doesn't fall in the water. So we added the chlorine-free bleach into the bucket a little bit with the car wash liquid. I hope it's gonna work. And yeah, so I'm gonna treat once with a sponge, and then I'm gonna use the soft brush afterwards to try to clean all this mess. finished hoisting the jib. It's not clean as I thought it will be. I think I'm gonna probably use some specialized solution next time, but with the mild soap and the soft brush, this is the best I could do under the current circumstances. I also found this a small hole here, rupture on a sail, which kind of worries me. It was covered with a patch before. The patch fell off. I'm probably gonna cover it next time. So yeah, I think that's it for now. The very next day, a buddy of mine, Nikolai, came, and we decided to do some touring nearby marina. Weather was just perfect, with southerly wind of 10 to 14 knots. It was a pure pleasure to see clean jib sail shining on the morning sun, and of course dreaming about how the boat moves somehow faster now. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode, and please, as always, like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell button for notifications about future contents. Thanks again and see you soon.